We're going to return to Joe Pass. We got to go to Dylan. You mentioned Dylan. I guess it's in part one of the origin stories of you putting out videos into the world is the early videos you did with Dylan, set of videos on his perfect pitch. And for people who don't know, maybe you can speak to what perfect pitch means.
It's ability to identify any note without a reference tone. So you can play, it doesn't matter how quickly they are, that they can, a person with perfect pitch can hear a note and immediately identify it, or a collection of notes.
And taking a tangent upon a tangent, you also have a course on ear training.
Yes, but my course is for relative pitch, not to be confused with perfect pitch.
Is it fair to say that relative pitch, as far as the thing you would learn, is more useful for musicians?
Yes.
Can you explain the difference between the two?
Relative pitch is basically learning how to identify pitches relative to a stated tonic or something that you've heard, or just relative to each other. If you hear a note and then you hear another note after it, you can recognize, let's say it's a minor third interval. So if you're on the note A, the next note would be C.
Mm-hmm.
So once you're given a reference note, you can use relative pitch to identify the relative nature from one pitch to another.
And of course, intervals make up scales and intervals make up chords.
Yep.
And so that if you develop it to any degree, relative pitch, you can understand, you can hear the music better.
Yes.